Hello everybody, welcome to another video tutorial. On this video tutorial we're going to be going over the page transition tool, and it's this tool right here with the star on it. Okay, so what is this tool for and what does it work for, or how can you use it to your website? Okay, so this is probably a very simple tool, but it's also a very cool feature. Okay, so the page transition allows us to add animation whenever we change from page inside our own website. What does this mean? Okay, let's go over here. Say for example, I am in the home page. Whenever I travel to the level 1 page, it's gonna make a page transition. Okay, so it's gonna jump from one page to another. In the process of doing that, we are able to add a cool animation. Okay, so let's go ahead and add one. In order to add one, all we have to do is simply add the page we want to add the animation to. It's not gonna add the animation to all of our pages. For example, if we can only add an animation to the page we choose, say for example page 2, whenever we jump to page 2, the animation is gonna take place, but it's not gonna take place when we go to page 3, page 5, page 6. In order to do this, we're gonna have to choose the animation for each one of the pages. Okay, so let's get started. Let's add animation to page okay, let's make this page visible. Page 7. Let's add a cool animation to this one. Okay, so you can see the page animations right here. Go ahead and add one that's visible, noticeable. This one. Now the delay is gonna define the time that the animation takes place. So it's gonna define the time of that the animation is going to last. Okay, so let's test this. Now let's go to level 1. Go to page 7, and as you can see, the cool page animation took place. Do it again. You can see the square right here and right here. Let's go ahead and choose another one. That one wasn't as visual as I thought it was gonna be. Yeah, this one's pretty cool. Let's go ahead and choose that one. When we change to page 7, you're gonna see how gonna like opening, sort of kind of like if some doors were opening, but it doesn't happen when we change to how to make a website page. Only happens to page 7. In order to introduce one to how to make a website easy page, we're gonna have to go over here and introduce one to this page as well. So let's go ahead and introduce a pretty cool one. Okay, now let's choose a delay. Now let's go ahead and do this. Okay, you were able to see how the animation took place. Very simple, but yet a very useful tool. Make sure not to put too many animations on your pages, or else it's gonna make your website kind of slow. When users enter, it's gonna take too much to load. So try not to use many. I would recommend only using it on the home page. Okay, so thank you for watching this tutorial. I'll see you on the next tutorial where we're gonna be going over the page properties. It's a very useful tutorial. I recommend that you keep reading and you keep learning, and have a good day. I'll see you on the next tutorial.